Welcome to SFDC Mentor Hub. So in the last class, we have seen how to create topic and action from the asset library and as well as from the agent builder. Okay, so today we will learn how to use topic and action in legacy agent builder and created account record from employee agent. So let me move into my org. So this is my org. So I hope you remember in the last video, we have created one custom topic and one custom object. So this is my custom topic, create new account, and this is my custom action, create account. Okay, so if I open this custom action, so you can see this custom action is calling one Apex class. The class name is create account agent action. I will show you in some time that class. Okay, so here, so let me again show you how to create custom action. So let me click on the action tab. You will see one button, new action agent. If I click on this, you will see the reference action type. So as of now, I'm using Apex, but you can use API and Flow as well, and from template as well. Okay, to create the record. So as of now, I'm just taking Apex class, and the reference you can see the Apex REST or enable method and invocable. Because my method is basically invocable. Okay, so that is why I'm using the invocable method here. So that is mandatory to annotate invocable method. So that is, I mean, so that you can just call that Apex class method from the action. Okay, and then the reference. So as of now, you can see only two methods. So we have to select your method. So as of now, my method name is create accounts and say this, right? So you have to just click next, and now you will see here the loading text. If you provide the whatever loading text, so it will show you whenever you are providing some prompt to agent, then that loading text will be show. I will show you in some time. Okay, now you will see the input and output parameter. So from where we are getting this input and output parameter, right? So you can see as of now we have input parameter, account name, okay, and industry, right, and phone number and the website, right? And similarly to out parameter, we have a record, account record, and second is the message, right? So from where we are getting in this action. So let me go to the class. So this is my class which is responsible to create account record. So here you can see, let me show you the method first. So this is my method, which is invocable method. So this is mandatory. We have to annotate invocable method so that we can call this method from the action. Okay, so this method is we have a list of list type of parameter. Okay, so because invocable method only support the list. Okay, so using this method, we are just getting the request from the agent. Once we get the response, then we have four parameter. Okay, so in this input, we have a four parameter basically. One is account name, phone, website, and industry. So that parameter we already defined as input inner class. So you can see this is my inner class where we have defined our input parameter, and second is our output inner class basically where we have to define the account object and some string parameter. Okay, so once we get all those values from this request, so I'm just storing in my account object, and here I'm just creating the account object record. Once the account has been created, I'm just returning that account, okay, as a response, and one message as well, the account has been created. Okay, so I'm returning this. So you can define whatever parameter you want to define here as input, similar to output as well. So this is my class. Okay, so because we have only four parameter as a input and two parameter for output, so that is why in the action we can see four parameter in input and two parameter as output. Okay, so now you know all those things, right, related to action. So because we already created action and topic in the last video, so I'm not going to create today. So we will utilize the topic and action which we already created in the last video. Okay, let me open my agent which we have created in the last video. So that is the legacy one basically. So if you are creating any agent from this new button, so we call that the legacy agent basically because Salesforce introduced a new agent builder. I will explain you that agent builder in the upcoming videos. Okay, so as of now I'm just showing you legacy one. So let me open this my agent. Let me open in builder. Okay, so you can see as of now this is deactivated, and I already selected my topic in this agent. So I hope you know how to select topic. So from this new button, add from asset library, or you can create new topic, because we have created our topic and action in the asset library. So we have already choose the topic from the asset library. Okay, so this is my topic. If I open this topic, so you can see I have provided the instructions. If user want to create an account, then call this action. Okay, create account. So this is my action. Let me open the, this is my action basically. Okay, create account. So now let's test this agent in the agent builder. Okay, so let me give some prompt here. So let me first test my agent in the agent builder. So that is why I'm just providing the prompt here. So I'm just saying create account. Okay, so agent is asking few fields. Okay, the values. So I'm just providing the account name as Salesforce. Industry will be technology. Phone number, dummy phone number, and providing the website salesforce.com, and hit enter. Okay, so now you can see my account has been created, and I'm getting the information about this account as a lightning card, right? So this lightning card is I'm getting by default because I'm just returning the account object, right? So agent will automatically giving this card. Okay, so now you can see in the middle screen where we can debug our topic, action, and agent. So you can see the user have provided this prompt, create account. Now agent have selected this topic, create new account, and using this instruction, agent called this action, basically create account. Okay, and after that we have provided this prompt, basically all those information, and then again it is just calling the topic and then calling the action. Okay, so you can see in the left hand side we have an input in the form of JSON, and right hand side we have an output in the form of JSON. So you can see all those value which we have provided, right? And this is the output we are getting. So this is the account object basically which we are returning. So that is why, and apart from this, we are returning the message as well, right, in the Apex class. So from here you can just debug your topic action as well. So now let me just activate this, and we have activated this. Now let me refresh once and open this agent, and let me first check the agent access. So this is compulsory. So you can see we already provide the access to this profile. Okay, so without this without the access you cannot see your activated agent in the screen. Okay, so if I refresh this page, record page or maybe home page, so you can see this icon, agent icon, right? So this is our agent. So let me click on this agent. So you can see my agent name, Agentforce employee agent. Okay, so now let me again provide the prompt to my agent, create account. Okay, so now it is asking again the information to create the account record. So this time let me take different account name, maybe Google, and industry technology. Phone number is this, and the website is google.com, and let me hit enter. You can see we can see the creating, right? So it is saying creating. So that loading test we already see here, right? So now you can see the account record has been created successfully, right? So you can see the account name this. So this is the link basically. If I click on this link, it will open my account in the left hand side. So you can see all those detail related to my account which we have created recently, right? So this is my phone number, website we have given, right? So you can see the account has been created through my agent. Okay, so you can utilize your employee agent to uh, automate your business process as well. Okay, maybe creating the lead or opportunity, maybe another task as well. Okay, so as of now we are using the legacy agent builder to create my agent, but in upcoming videos I will also show you how to use how to create the agent in new agent builder as well. Okay, so that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you.